This is the classic belly dance move that's sometimes called basic Egyptian. We call it step touch. If you want to learn the proper technique and timing, grab your hip scarf and stay with us. Marhaba dancers, I am Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos that we upload each Monday and sometimes on Thursdays too. In this video, we're going to learn both the technique and the timing for the classic belly dance move that we call step touch. Then we'll practice it with Bob playing the drum. This is an essential move to master because it is the basis for so many variations and can make your dance look awesome. Begin in basic belly dance posture, which you can look at in detail on another video. We'll link it up in an info card and in the show notes. Our feet are a few inches apart, our knees are bent, hips tucked forward, and rib cage lifted in order to create a lot of space in the abdomen and isolate the move. The hands you can put out here in basic posture, or as you're learning the move, you can just let them drop by your sides. As the name implies, the first thing that we're going to do is take a step, and then the other toes are going to touch the floor. Then that foot with the toes on the floor is going to take a step, and the other toes will touch the floor. So we're doing step, touch, step, touch. That's the basic feel of the move. But because belly dance is more about the abdominal region than it is about the feet per se, rather than thinking of our toes when we're touching the floor, we're going to do a twisting of the hips forward. Now, this is the same motion that you'll find on the horizontal hip shimmy, which you can check out on another video that we've done. We'll link it in the info card and in the description. So with both of our knees bent, we're taking a step and twisting our hips forward as we touch the toes of that same leg to the floor. And then that foot comes back and takes a step. The other toes go forward as we twist the hip forward. So step, touch while twisting the hip, take a step, touch while twisting the hip forward. So it's a step and touch, a step and touch. Now we just say touch rather than twist because, as I mentioned before, this is the basis for many variations and we can do different motions with the hips. So I like to think of it as a step touch as the basic mechanics of the move. So those are the mechanics of step touch. Now let's see how to time it to the music. An easy way to start is to match this move to a 4-beat rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, and touch. I'm stepping on the first beat, touching on the second with that hip twist forward. Then that same foot is stepping on the third beat, and the fourth beat is a twist. So it's just alternating with a step, touch, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, twist, step, and twist. We can sing it also with the rhythm, which I think is a great way to really internalize both the rhythm and the move. Doom, doom, teka-tek, doom, teka-tek. Doom, doom, teka-tek, doom, teka-tek. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, teka-tek, doom, teka-tek. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, and touch. Now let's try it with Bob playing the drum. Bob's going to play the rhythm melody, also called Masmuri Sehrir. He'll begin with 2 texts, which will let us know the tempo and cue us that on the third sound of the drum, that will be the first beat of the music when we take our first step. We'll chant the beat, alternating with chanting the rhythm and alternating with chanting the words step, touch, step, touch. This will help us to internalize the rhythm as we're learning the move. We'll begin slowly and then we'll speed it up. Beginning in basic belly dance posture. Ready? Yalla. Step, touch, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, touch, step, touch. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Doom, doom, tack, attack, doom, tack, attack. Voila, belly dance, step, touch. Hey dancers, if you found value in this, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Question of the day, is it harder for you to chant the rhythm as you're dancing it or harder for you to hold the posture? Let us know in the comments. What to watch next? Another how-to video on your posture or the pose Iowa or do a 5-minute workout. Masalama, we'll see you on the next video.